Welcome back to our channel. If you've had a rapture dream, a tribulation dream, or a testimony you'd like to share, please send your video to my email or Telegram. The details are in the description below. Please like and share the video to help with the YouTube algorithm so that these prophetic dreams, visions, and testimonies can reach more people.
When I'm at the ground, when I'm home, I see stars going to the clouds. When I reach to the clouds, I see Jesus. And I see him, and then I see the angels and the white horse and the animals, the elephant and pigs, giraffe and cats, dogs, rabbits and lions and tigers. And I see a big castle. And then Jesus see me, and I see a donkey too. And then I see Jesus is riding a white horse. And then when he get off, he see me. And then we go eat fruits and when we finish eating, we rest a little bit and we play together and talk with Jesus. And we go to ride the horse, and the horse is going to the ground and explore. And then when I come back, it was fun. And we see some long stairs. It's so long, so I will go down, and then when I'm home, I play and ride my bike. The end.
Do you see Daddy?
Yes.
Mommy?
Yes.
What Daddy doing?
Nhâm từ rên.